Stop recording.
So, in this one video, we are back in the terminal.
Chrome, new tab, window. Sandia Penguin, tilde, window.
Let's see if I can install Audacity on this one, and we're gonna try.
D, O, space.
Sudo apt
T, dash, G, E, T. U line, U, D, A, I, T, Y. Bash, udo, command not found. S, D, O, space.
Sudo
A, P, T, dash, G, E, T. U line, space, I, N, T, L, space. A, U, D, A, C, T, Y. Building dependency tree, new line. Reading state information ellipsis 0%, reading state information ellipsis 0%, reading state information ellipsis done. The following packages will be upgraded. New line. Live of codec 58, live of sample 4, live of util 56, literary sample 3. New line. 4 upgraded, 27 newly installed, 0 to remove and 36 not upgraded. New line. Need to get 19.1 megabytes of archives. New line. After this operation, 53.8 megabytes of additional disk space will be used. New line. Do you want to continue y/n? Why?
Yeah.
0% working. New line. 0% working. 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 0%. 18% 2 live codec 58 2337 kilobytes slash 4803 kilobytes 49% 391 kilobytes slash S38s. 20% 2 live codec 58 2946 kilobytes slash 4803 kilobytes 61% 391 kilobytes slash S36s. 22% 2 live codec 58 3401 kilobytes slash 4803 kilobytes 71% 391 kilobytes slash S35s. 24% 2 live codec 58 3774 kilobytes slash 4803 kilobytes 79% 391 kilobytes slash S34s. 26% 2 live codec 58 4261 kilobytes slash 4803 kilobytes 89% 391 kilobytes slash S33s.
It's chopping a little bit up,
2 live codec 58 4618 kilobytes slash 4803 kilobytes 96% 391 kilobytes slash S32s. 29% working 391 kilobytes slash S32s get 3 https://debian.org/debian-buster/main AMD64 literary sample 3 AMD64 7 4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10 u1 105 kilobytes. U9. 29% 3 literary sample 3 OB/105 kilobytes 0% 391 kilobytes slash S32s. 30% waiting for headers 391 kilobytes slash S31s get 4 https://dev.debian.org/debian-buster/main AMD64 live sample 4 AMD64 7 4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10 u1 102 kilobytes. U9. 30% 4 live sample 465.5 kilobytes slash 102 kilobytes 64% 391 kilobytes slash S31s get 5 https://dev.debian.org/debian-buster/main AMD64 live util 56 AMD64 7 4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10 u1 237 kilobytes. New line. 31% 5 live util 56 0b/237 kilobytes 0% 391 kilobytes slash S31s. 32% waiting for headers 391 kilobytes slash S30s get 6 https://dev.debian.org/debian-buster/main AMD64 libera to AMD64 1.1.0-1 145 kilobytes. New line. 32% 6 libera to OB/145 kilobytes 0% 391 kilobytes slash S30s. Get 7 https://dev.debian.org/debian-buster/main AMD64 lipramaprint 1 AMD64 1.4.3-3 41.4 kilobytes. New line. 34% 7 lipramaprint 1 OB/41.4 kilobytes 0% 391 kilobytes slash S30s get 8 https://dev.debian.org/debian-buster/main AMD64 libgene 0 AMD64 0.6.2-1 121 kilobytes. New line. 34% 8 libgene OB/121 kilobytes 0% 391 kilobytes slash S30s. Get 9 https://dev.debian.org/debian-buster/main AMD64 LIB MPG 123 to 0 AMD64 1.25.10 minus 104.
Let's see how far it is.
Tilde. Colon. Sandy. Processing triggers for ManDB 2.8.5-2 ellipsis. Processing triggers for LIBC bin. Processing triggers for eColor icon theme. Processing triggers for shared mind. Setting up lipramaprint 1. Setting up LIBSERD.
Okay, so I wasn't patient enough to make it go through the whole thing, so what I need to do.
93% scrolled. New line. Selecting previously unselected package Libix 0 AM 86 79 72 60 59% scrolled. New line. Get 16 https://dev.debian.org/debian-buster/main AMD64 LIDSORD 0 minus 0 AMD64 0.16.0 tilde D. New line. FSG 0 to 1 plus B1 23.0 kilobytes. New line. Get 17 https://dev.debian.org/debian-buster/main AMD64 LIDSRATOM 0 minus 0 AMD64 0.6.0 tilde. New line. DFSG 0 to 1 16.6 kilobytes. New line. Get 18 https://dev.debian.org/debian-buster/main AMD64 LIB 0 minus 0 AMD64 0.24.2 tilde D. New line. FSG 0 to 2 44.2 kilobytes. New line. Get 19 https://dev.debian.org/debian-buster/main AMD64 libmad 0 AMD64 0.15.1 B10. New line. 69.9 kilobytes. New line. Get 20 https://dev.debian.org/debianbuster/main AMD64 libport audio to AMD64 19.6.0. Uline. -1, 66.6 kilobytes. Uline. Get 21 https://dev.debian.org/debianbuster/main AMD64 libport SMF0 AMD64 0.1 tilde SVN2. Uline. 0101010 kilobytes. Uline. Get 22 https://dev.debian.org/debianbuster/main AMD64 libsoundtouch 1 AMD64 2.1.2. Uline. Plus DS 1 to 1 34.3 kilobytes. Uline. Get 23 https://dev.debian.org/debianbuster/main AMD64 LIDS UIL 0-0 AMD64 0.10.0 tilde D. Uline. FSG 0 to 1 21.8 kilobytes. Uline. Get 24 https://dev.debian.org/debianbuster/main AMD64 libvamp host SDK3v5 AMD64 2. Uline. 0.7.1 tilde repack 0 to 1 93.9 kilobytes. Uline. Get 25 https://dev.debian.org/debianbuster/main AMD64 libbase 3.0-OV5 AMD64 3.0. Uline. 0.4 plus DFSG8 1057 kilobytes. Uline. Get 26 https://dev.debian.org/debianbuster/main AMD64 libnotify 4 AMD64 0.7.7-4. Uline. 29.0 kilobytes. Uline. Get 27 https://dev.debian.org/debianbuster/main AMD64 LIBWXGTK 3.0-OV5 AMD64 3.0. Uline. 4 plus DFSG8 4398 kilobytes. Options. Button page down. 4 plus DF. Get 16 options. Page down. Button. 66% scrolled. Uline. 4 plus DFSG8 4398 kilobytes. 72% scrolled. Uline. Selecting previously unselected package libelore 2 AMD64. Uline. Preparing to unpack ellipsis/05 libelore 2 _ 1% 3A1. Page up. Selecting page up. 66% scrolled. Uline. 4 plus DFSG8 4398 kilobytes. Uline. Get 28 https://dev.debian.org/debianbuster/main
The program is
AMD64
installed. I just want to see what I have done.
Uline. 3644 kilobytes. Uline. Get 29 https://dev.debian.org/debianbuster/main AMD64 libx 0 AMD64 0.9.0-2 52. Uline. 0.4 kilobytes. Uline. Get 30 https://dev.debian.org/debianbuster/main AMD64 lib plus 0 AMD64 0.1.2-3. Uline. 47.5 kilobytes. Uline. Get 31 https://dev.debian.org/debianbuster/main AMD64 notification daemon AMD64. Uline. 3.20.0-4 61.0 kilobytes. Uline. Fetch 19.1 megabytes in 38s 505 kilobytes/s. Uline. Depconf delaying package configuration since AppUtils is not installed. Uline. Selecting previously unselected package Audacity data. Uline. Reading database ellipsis 33,405 files and directories currently installed. Uline. Preparing to unpack ellipsis/00-audacity-data_2.2.2-1_all.dev ellipsis. Uline. Unpacking Audacity data 2.2.2-1 ellipsis. Uline. Preparing to unpack ellipsis/01 libcode deg 58 _7% 3A4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10U1 _ am64.dev ellipsis. Uline. Unpacking libcode deg 58 AMD64 7 4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10U1 over 7 4.1.4-1 tilde dev 10U1 ellipsis. Uline. Preparing to unpack ellipsis/02 libstry sample 3 _7% 3A4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10U1 _ am64.dev ellipsis. Uline. Unpacking libstry sample 3 AMD64 7 4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10U1 over 7 4.1.4-1 tilde dev 10U1 ellipsis. Uline. Preparing to unpack ellipsis/03 live over sample 4 _7% 3A4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10U1 _ am64.dev ellipsis. Uline. Unpacking live over sample 4 AMD64 7 4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10U1 over 7 4.1.4-1 tilde dev 10U1 ellipsis. Uline. Preparing to unpack ellipsis/04 live util 56 _7% 3A4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10U1 _ am64.dev ellipsis. Uline. Unpacking live util 56 AMD64 7 4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10U1 over 7 4.1.4-1 tilde dev 10U1 ellipsis. Uline. Selecting previously unselected package libelore 2 AMD64.
Takes quite
page
a
down.
while.
Button. 72% scrolled. Uline. Selecting previously unselected package libelore 2 AMD64. Uline. Preparing to unpack ellipsis/05 libelore 2 _1% 3A1.1.0-1 am64.dev ellipsis. Uline. Unpacking libelore 2 AMD64 1.1.0-1 ellipsis. Uline. Selecting previously unselected package libprint 1 AMD64. Uline. Preparing to unpack ellipsis/06-libprint 1 _1.4.3-3 am64.dev ellipsis. Uline. Unpacking libprint 1 AMD64 1.4.3-3 ellipsis. Uline. Selecting previously unselected package libgene 0 AMD64. Uline. Preparing to unpack ellipsis/07-libgemo _0.6.2-1 am64.dev ellipsis. Uline. Unpacking libgene 0 AMD64 0.6.2-1 ellipsis. Uline. Selecting previously unselected package LIB MPG 123-0 AMD64. Uline. Preparing to unpack ellipsis/08-libmake 123-0 _1.25.10-2 am64.dev ellipsis. Uline. Unpacking LIB MPG 123-0 AMD64 1.25.10 -2 ellipsis. Uline. Selecting previously unselected package libopam 0 AMD64. Uline. Preparing to unpack ellipsis/09 libopam 0 _0.4.3-1 plus dev 10U1 _ am64.dev ellipsis. Uline. Unpacking lib 0 AMD64 0.4.3-1 plus dev 10 U1 ellipsis. New line. Selecting previously unselected package libs GCR YPT4 AMD64. New line. Preparing to unpack ellipsis /10 libs GCR YPT4 underscore 0.8.7-1 plus dev 10 U1 underscore AM64.dev ellipsis. New line. Unpacking libs GCR YPT4 AMD64 0.8.7-1 plus dev 10 U1 ellipsis. New line. Selecting previously unselected package library format 58 AMD64. New line. Preparing to unpack ellipsis /11 library format 58 underscore 7% 3A 4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10 U1 underscore AM64.dev ellipsis. New line. Unpacking library format 58 AMD64 7 4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10 U1 ellipsis. New line. Selecting previously unselected package lib flag +6v5 AMD64. New line. Preparing to unpack ellipsis /12 lib flag +6v5 underscore 1.3.2-3 underscore AM64.dev ellipsis. New line. Unpacking lib flag +6v5 AMD64 1.3.2-3 ellipsis. Space.
It's taking a good amount of time.
New line. Space options. Button. Page down. Disabled. Button.
Oh.
Page up. 93% scrolled. New line. Selecting previously unselected package libx 0 AMD64. New line.
Let's
Preparing to unpack
just,
ellipsis /28 libx 0 underscore 0.9.0-2 underscore AM64.dev ellipsis.
Oh, here we go.
New line. Unpacking libx 0 AMD64 0.9.0-2 ellipsis. Options. Page down. Button.
I just want to see
Press
the
search
last
space
part
activate.
now.
100% scrolled. New line. Setting up lib +0 AMD64 0.1.2-3 ellipsis. New line. Setting up libmad 0 AMD64 0.15.1b10 ellipsis. New line. Setting up libbase 3.0-OV5 AMD64 3.0.4 plus DFSG8 ellipsis. New line. Setting up libalore 2 AMD64 1.1.0-1 ellipsis. New line. Setting up libflag +6v5 AMD64 1.3.2-3 ellipsis. New line. Setting up libop 0 AMD64 0.4.3-1 plus dev 10 U1 ellipsis. New line. Setting up LIBSERD 0 -0 AMD64 0.28.0 tilde DFSG 0 to 1 ellipsis. New line. Setting up libs sample 3 AMD64 7 4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10 U1 ellipsis. New line. Setting up library sample 4 AMD64 7 4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10 U1 ellipsis. New line. Setting up LIBWXGTK 3.0-OV5 AMD64 3.0.4 plus DFSG8 ellipsis. New line. Setting up LIBSORD 0 -0 AMD64 0.16.0 tilde DFSG 0 to 1 plus V1 ellipsis. New line. Setting up LIBSRATOM 0 -0 AMD64 0.6.0 tilde DFSG 0 to 1
It
ellipsis.
does take quite a
New
bit.
line. Setting up library codec 58 AMD64 7 4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10 U1 ellipsis. New line. Setting up LIBLILV 0 -0 AMD64 0.24.2 tilde DFSG 0 to 2 ellipsis. New line. Setting up libpremap print 1 AMD64 1.4.3-3 ellipsis. New line. Setting up library format 58 AMD64 7 4.1.6-1 tilde dev 10 U1 ellipsis. New line. Setting up audacity 2.2.2-1 plus V1 ellipsis.
Yes.
New line. Processing triggers for shared MIME info 1.10-1 ellipsis. New line. Processing triggers for desktop file utils 0.23-4 ellipsis. New line. Processing triggers for MIME support 3.62 ellipsis. New line. Processing triggers for eColor icon theme 0.17-2 ellipsis. New line. Processing triggers for LIBC bin 2.28-10 ellipsis. New line. Processing triggers for ManDB 2.8.5-2 ellipsis. New line. Sandia penguin tilde $.
Let's try fire it up.
ADACIACIAUDACITY space. That new line. Dash. ALP. Usage audacity B less than num greater than D less than street greater than HTB audio or project file name ellipsis. New line. B block size equal less than num greater than set max disk block size in bytes. New line. D decode equal less than street greater than decode an autosave file. New line. H help this help message. New line. T test run self diagnostics. New line. B version display audacity version. Sandia penguin tilde $.
By all means.
Dollar, tilde, colon, Sandia penguin T test run self diagnostics. Space. Dash. T, comma.
We try audacity.
ADACTY new line. Dash. T.
Test.
Audacity is starting up ellipsis window. Also lib PCM C 2565 sat face SND underscore PCM underscore open underscore update unknown PCM cards dot PCM dot phone 9. Cannot connect to server socket equal no such file or directory.
Oh.
16 hours 35 minutes and 40 seconds. Debug screen ticket cannot work when top level window is not shown.
I don't know what that means.
Audacity window. Sandia Peng. 16 hours 35 minutes and 48 seconds. Debug key onto screen cannot work when top level. 16 hours 35 minutes. 16 hours 35 minutes and 48 seconds. Debug key onto screen cannot work when top level window. 16 hours 35 minutes and 48 seconds. Debug key onto screen cannot work when top level. Caret new line. Caret B. Space. New line. New line. Space. Space. New line. Space. New B. Left caret. B. Left caret. B. Left caret. B. Left caret. 16 hours 35 minutes and 16 hours 35 minutes and 48 seconds. Debug. Key onto screen cannot work when top level window is not shown. 35 40 debug. Key onto screen cannot. Key onto screen. Space CLIENT. Tango. T. Tango. Cannot work when top level window is not shown. Tab created. YouTube. YouTube. New tab. Tab. Address and 16 hours 35 minutes and 48 seconds. Debug. Key onto screen cannot work when top level window is not shown. 16 hours 35 minutes and 48 seconds. Debug. Key onto screen cannot work when top level window is not shown. 16 hours 35 minutes and 48 seconds. Debug. Key onto screen. Text terminal. 16 hours 35 minutes and 48 seconds. Debug. Key onto screen cannot. 16 hours 35 minutes and 48 seconds. Debug. Key onto screen cannot work when top level window is not shown. Double tap to start editing.
Yeah, I don't need to edit that.
Caret C. New line. Sandia penguin tilde dollar. A-D-A-C-I-T-Y. Audacity is starting up ellipsis window. Also lib PCM C2565 sat face SND underscore PCM underscore open underscore update unknown PCM cards dot PCM dot phone 9.
So
Connect to server socket equal no such file or direct. 16 hours 37 minutes and 35 seconds. Debug. Screen to cannot work when top level window is not shown. New line. 16 hours 37 minutes and 35 seconds. Debug. Screen to cannot work when top level window is not shown. New line. 16 hours 37 minutes and 30. Audacity window. Sandia 16 hours 37 minutes. Audacity window. 16 hours 37 minutes and 43 seconds. Debug. Key onto screen cannot work when top level window is not shown. 16 hours 37 minutes and 40.
So
Caret C. New line. Sandia penguin tilde. Camera window. Stop recording. Sandia penguin 60. Audacity.
let's try again.
T. Audacity is starting up ellipsis window. Also lib PCM C2. Expression red failed in src slash hostile slash telsa slash par underscore linux underscore elsa C line 1736. New line. Expression all stop and all stop greater than basis degree params screener and self greater than PCM failed in src slash hostile slash elsa slash par underscore linux underscore elsa C line 1904. New line. Expression pulsar stream component underscore initialize and self greater than capture all stop in params screen direction underscore in null equal callback failed in src slash hostile slash elsa slash par underscore linux underscore elsa C line 2171.
Probably.
New line. Expression pulsar stream underscore initialized stream also hostile input parameters output parameters sample rate frames per buffer callback screen flags user data failed in src slash hostile slash elsa slash par underscore linux underscore elsa C line 2840. New line. Expression stream greater than playback PCM failed in src slash hostile slash elsa slash par underscore linux underscore elsa C line 4628.
I feel I have
line.
quite a bit
Also
of
PCM
fairness.
underscore D snoop C 638 sat face SND underscore PCM underscore D snoop underscore open unable to open slave. New line. Also lib PCM underscore D snoop C 638 sat face SND underscore PCM underscore D snoop underscore open unable to open slave. New line. Also lib PCM underscore D snoop C 638 sat face SND underscore PCM underscore D snoop underscore open unable to open slave. Benchmark window.
Benchmark. I don't know if I need this really.
Audacity window. Audacity window. Camera window. Sandia penguin tilde. Audacity window. Audacity window. 16 hours 38 minutes and 44 seconds. Debug. Key onto screen cannot work when top level window is not shown.
Top level is
Camera stop recording. Audacity window.
Alrighty, so this is just a tiny little test to see if Audacity runs at all. Oh, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. La 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 la. Okay.
16 hours 38
It does.
minutes. Chromebox menus. Files. Button dot.
It is indeed being quiet about it.
16 hours. 16 hours. Sandia penguin tilde tab. 16 hours. 16 hours 30. Stop recording.
Okay.
Button. Camera window. Audacity window.
So maybe if I wasn't using the camera.
Copy https://www.pc.
Okay.
Camera window. Sandia penguin tilde. 16 hours 30. Caret C. Uline. Sandy and Penguin.
Let's try again.
AU. A. C. T. Y. Dash. H. Bash Audacity H command not found.
Ah.
A. U. D. A. C. I. T. Y. Space. Dash. H. Uline. Uline.
Come on.
Usage Audacity B less than num greater than D less than street greater than HTB audio or project file name ellipsis. Uline. B block size equal less than num greater than set max disk block size in bytes. Uline. D decode equal less than street greater than decode an autosave file. Uline. H help this help message. Uline. T test run self diagnostics. Uline. V version display Audacity version. Uline. Sandy and Penguin tilde dollar. Tilde code Sandy
So
T
what
H
if
help this
I
help B dot
say-
dollar Audacity tilde colon tilde dollar Audacity 8 usage Audacity B less than num greater than D less than street greater than HTB audio or project file name Audacity B num D street H T V audio or project file name dot closing square bracket B block size equal less than num greater than set max disk block size in bytes. D decode equal less than street greater than decode an autosave file. H help this help message. T test run self diagnostics. V version display Audacity version. Sandy and Penguin.
So I have Audacity, but not much luck with it. I'm not giving up yet. Has to be a way that I could do this. I know that Felix was talking about this, so you can all thank him. Until later, this is going to be part 1 of my Audacity install.
Camera stop recording button. Camera window.